Hello there. This tutorial is on configuring reporting services on SQL Server 2017. So in the last video I installed the SQL Server reporting services. So that's the first step, and then the second step is to actually configure the reporting services, create the reporting services databases, connect it to the database instance, etc. So the first thing I want to do, I'm on my SQL Server right now, so I'm going to open up the report server configuration manager. Go ahead and click yes. So connections, SQL, connect. I'm going to go ahead and set this guy to Contoso, SVC, SQL reports. Set the password. Go ahead, apply. Okay, so everything's successful there. So stopping, we're starting. So now that we've created the reporting services and we've got the database, so if you go into the services snap-in, there should be an additional service on top of the SQL Server services. There'll be the reporting services service. So if we go look, as you can see here now, SQL Server reporting services, and you can see I set Contoso SQL reports service account. So I've got service account set. It's going to be used to run the service. We want to go through and we want to look at and set up the web URLs. Right now it's just 80, so we're good there. In a production environment, I would definitely recommend that you upload a certificate and you go from 80 to 443. Set an execution account. Configure the web service to the virtual directory report server. So let's go ahead and apply that guy. Then we're going to apply the web portal address. Email settings, I'm going to leave this blank right now. I'm going to be setting up an SMTP server. Once I get that SMTP server set up, then I will go through and I will set these and test to make sure that subscriptions for reports are sending out successfully. So I'm going to go ahead, and so we're good there. So now we've got actual reporting services configured. So if I wanted to test it out, alright, so we can see that the reporting services is up, web portal's up, so we're good to go there. And that's pretty much it for configuring SQL Server reporting services. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any, if it was, please subscribe to my channel or like the video and tell your friends about it. Alright, thank you.